How to fix Windows Defender service not found. Are you seeing the Windows Defender service not found error on PC? Don't worry, in this video I'll show you the latest working method to fix this issue. So let's get started. First, let's check if the Windows Defender service is running. Press Windows plus R, type services.msc and hit enter. Now scroll down and look for Windows Defender antivirus service. If it's disabled or stopped, right click it and simply tap on start. If the option is grayed out, let's move on to the next fix. Next, let's repair system files that might be causing the issue. Simply open command prompt and simply tap at or click on run as administrator. Once it's done, what you need to type is sfc /scan now. This will scan and fix corrupted system files one by one. Once it's done, simply restart your PC after the process is complete. Sometimes Windows Defender is disabled by group policy. Here's how to check. Press Windows plus R and type gpedit.msc and simply hit enter. Simply go to computer configuration. From there, go to administrative templates. Then on Windows components. From here, simply find Microsoft Defender antivirus. Double click and simply turn off Microsoft Defender antivirus and set it to not configured. Click apply and then OK and then restart your PC. If nothing works, let's check the registry settings. Press Windows plus R and type in regedit and navigate to HK local machine and on software. From there, go to policies. From there, go to Microsoft and on Windows Defender. Here, look for a key called Disable Anti-Spyware. If it exists, delete it and restart your PC and check if Windows Defender is back. That's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix Windows Defender service not found.